Hello everyone, welcome back in a new session. So here we'll just check what is the Jazz.net. So before going for any ELM installation, we should have our Jazz account. So in this today's session, we'll check how to open our Jazz account to install the IBM ELM. Okay, so before going to the installation, let's look at what is a Jazz.net. So Jazz.net is a web-based collaboration platform and community developed by IBM. So it provides the range of tools and resources to support the development lifecycle for the any IBM software project. So Jazz.net is a community hub where user can access the documentation, tutorial, forum and blogs related to IBM Jazz tools. It allows the developer and project manager to connect, share and knowledge and collaborate with the development community. So here, for example, if you have any doubt related to installation, related to any programming things, which we are going to do in a ELM, you can ask any query in the Jazz.net. So any developer forum members can ask or guide your query. So let's look at what is the link for it. So to access the Jazz.net, here is the link https://jazz.net. So here you have to for the first time you have to sign up and you have to register yourself for the Jazz account. So let's see how we can do it. Okay, here you have to open Jazz.net. Type here Jazz.net. Once you click on it, I will just sign it out first. So the page will like this when you open for the first time. So you have to sign up for the first time. So here you just have to fill the detail: first name, last name, email ID. You can use your personal email ID as well. Then telephone, country, then username, password. And once you fill these details, you have to click on I agree and you just have to click on a submit button. Okay, so once you fill this form, whatever the user ID and password you have to you have entered, you have to remember this, and after that you have to click on login. So once you put your user ID and password, then click on a login button. So once you click on a login, then you will be entered into your profile. Okay, so here you can see multiple options, products. So in this you will see what are the products which are offered by the IBM. So engineering lifecycle solution, reporting, development practices and other tools here you can see. So here you can see whatever the components that we have looked in the last session. What is a workflow management, DNG, test management. Okay, so we are in the next session we'll go to the installation of this. But before going to installation, I just want to explore you about the Jazz.net. So the Jazz.net, you will get this platform where you can download all your components and required software applications you can download here. So here you can see Jazz Foundation. So here the diagram is related to Jazz platform, how it look like. You can just go through it. You can learn what is Jazz.net and what is a Jazz platform. Here you can also get the hyperlink to check the what is the IBM engineering lifecycle management. And here you can get what is new, means every time whichever the new version is coming, you will get all the updates here. Okay, so you can check out those details and you can learn this. Here what is happening in sense, you will get all the latest information in which version, what are the updates. Okay, so any patch is updated for the latest or a previous version, then all the information is updated here. Then in the main important section is this. So here you can say download 702 SR series release 702 version. So current version is actually stable version is 702. So you can see here for a download we have multiple options. Here these are the milestones. So I will prefer you go for the fixed version, like stable version, that is the 702. So here you can see list of it. Okay, so rather than going for the milestone, go for the stabilized version, that is 702 for now. So when you trying to install, you just check what is the latest version and you can download here. So here you can see all download and all the download material you can see here. Okay, here you can also see the what are the download tips. Okay, before going for this, here again in the forum, the most important thing, what whenever you are doing any, so whatever guidance I'm doing, it is for the local, for the production there, on the production server installation we have to follow the best practices, like we can't download this from here locally. There is a passport advantages and pass for every customer account, so you have to consider that account, and from there you can download the softwares. Okay, so this is whatever I'm just referring for the local exposure purpose. So here you can, if suppose for installation for any query in the plugin development of a RTC or API integration of RQM DNG, so whatever question you do have, you can ask here by clicking on ask a question. You just put a question, you just describe your question, then after that just mention the category, which application that you are using. If suppose I'm using the RQM, that is the test management, just select that, select the category, like what, in which category your question falls, whether it's administrative purpose, configuration related query, or installation, or any how to related question. Or if you don't know the category, you just put it in other and then post your question. Okay, and then you will get the email as well from the jazz.net by whichever questions you have done. Okay, so here you can explore more about the community and your profiles. You can also find the more of the blogs. Okay, what are the blogs latest happenings. Then in ELM documentation, here you can see all the information related to ELM, you can get it. So you just explore this, and in the next session we will go for the actual installation of the ELM bundle. Okay, so what are the prerequisite and all this we'll cover in the next. Thank you so much. See you soon.